Digital transformation has become a major area of investment for organizations, public and private, all over the world. What's interesting is that the digital transformation wave was begun by mobile and social platforms, but more recently, investment has shifted to automation. Now, why is that? Well, if you think about mobile and social as the front office, well, if the back office isn't delivering on the promises made by the front office, you don't have transformation. And automation is all about accelerating the back office. So automation is where the action is.
Robotic process automation is used to create a digital workforce to automate repetitive tasks. Allowing a knowledge worker to really focus on high-value activities is really the key. Automating the repetitive tasks leads to reduction of errors caused by manual execution, accomplishing work faster and more efficiently. The combination with business decision enables robots to consistently leverage the decision skills of subject matter experts.
It's the opportunity to hear from industry experts and to find ideas on how to get started with our proven methodology. You will brainstorm with experts from the industry, which will allow you to go back to the office and start acting now on your initiative.